Hi, it's Marvin. Today I've got a 2-hour Morrison's block paying £40. It's a Sunday morning, it's foggy, so lights on and fog lights on when it's foggy. Watch out for the idiots that don't have any lights on. Ride along with me and we'll see how it goes. See you after I've loaded up. So we've got an 8, a 4, a 7, a 15 and a 4. So we've got 38 bags. There's 2 4s, a 7, 8 and a 15. The first stop is only 2.6 miles away, so I'll use electric going there. Then all the other stops are quite close actually, so we'll probably do it all on electric. It's just started to rain, so when we get there, if it's still raining, I'll bung my high-vis raincoat on. Let's get on and do it. See you at the first stop. Hello, for number 23?
Yes, that's it, yeah.
There we go, just the 4 for you. I was lucky, it was pouring with rain and then I got here and it stopped. Right, that's all done for you. Cheers. Hello, got your Morrisons for you. They're quite heavy. I don't know why they can't just put a little bit less in the bags. It'd make it a lot easier.
Is that everything?
Yep, 4 bags.
Wow, like you say, it's a lot.
Thank you. Bye. Hello, got your Morrisons for you. There we go, all done for you. Have a nice afternoon. Hello. How you doing? Yeah, not bad. At least it was raining while I was driving and then it stopped when I got where I was going, so that's good. I have to check your age and also your name. Cool. And the year you were born. Same as me. Super, all done. Thanks. Have a nice afternoon. Hello there. Hello. Ooh. 15 bags for you. Oops. 8. Some of those are a bit heavy. I don't know why they fill them up so much. 3 more. Oh. And I need to check the year you were born. Super, all done.
Just a second. I always forget that your ones are coins here. So I'm like, where are all my bills?
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Have a nice afternoon.
You too.
So that was a 2-hour Morrison's, paying £40, completed in an hour and a half. So that makes it £26 an hour, roughly. Also got a £5 tip at the end, another Marvin's Flex tip. So it was worth it today. Only doing 1 block today, as I've got other things to do. One thing to mention about Morrison's is if you swipe to finish the last delivery and you've got more than 30 minutes left on your block, it'll always tell you to go back to the store. So sometimes it might be worth waiting a minute or two so that you don't get sent back to the shop. If it does send you back and they allocate you something, then it'll go against you if you don't go back to the shop. So it's better to wait until 29 minutes left, then swipe to finish. That way it won't tell you to go back to the store. Hope you enjoyed that ride along. Managed to stay out of the rain. It just rained while I was driving in between stops, which is good. It had stopped each time I got out of the car. So if you enjoy this ride along video, give me a thumbs up. And also you can subscribe to Marvin's Flex Tips for more tips and more ride along videos. See you next time.